Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Yun Pumasagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatigyan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Pasilip Burmans for the month of, for the sign of Pisces. For the month of September, October, November, and December. So ano kayang pasilip sa iyo ng Burmans? At ano kayang kapalaran ang nakagaantay sa inyo? So, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, umpisahan na natin ang bago ang lahat para makita natin kung ano ang pinakapasabog sa inyo ng ating Burmans. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na pa subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos sa i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe ng iyong mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages. There's the word card. Oh. Wow, pasabo. Sinasabi dito, the word card represent the trouble. No? And of course, there's a 10 of coin. There's a long-term and long-term investment. May malaking pasabog sa iyo dito na mukhang magdadala sa iyo ng pangmatagalan, no? Mukhang magsasucess ka dito in the near future. At the same time, there's a 10 of cups. Happiness and of course, abundance. About sa finances. Tapos the word card. Parang nire-represent ito in all aspect. And Palace of Coin. Wow! Diba? Talagang sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang pagpapalain ka ng ang langit. Na? Pagpapalain ka ng ating may kapal. With the 10, 10, 10. Angels number 10. 10 of Wands, matatapos na yung obligation, matatapos na yung burden. No, parang kinaklarify lang dito na mukhang magiging masagana na ang buwan ng September sa'yo. Pisces, what is about sa career? About sa career, there's a 10 of Sword and the Ace of Sword. Ibig sabihin dito, makikilala mo na yung backstabbing o yung tumatraidor sa'yo, no? O yung mga taong may lihim na galit or inggit sa'yo. Yung mga taong sinasabotahe ka, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na makikilala mo na. So, about naman sa love life. About sa love life, there's a 10 of Wands, a Palace of Wands, and of course, there's a Queen of Wands. Wow! Confident. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang magkakaroon ka ng stability and control. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo lang maging confident. And of course, there's an information na sinasabi sa akin ng napaka-independent, no? What is additional messages for health? About sa health, okay, there's a devil. Oh, see? There's an obsession or there's an addictions or something, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, yung mga bawal iwasan, no? Iwasan nyo kasi nakakasama yan sa inyo, lalo-lalo na yung mga bisyo na alam nyo hindi naman talaga dapat yung ginagawa. So, nakakasama daw yan sa health nyo, ha? So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Chakra messages is, okay. There is a prayer. Ibig sabihin dito, magdasal-dasal ka, team, no? Or ipagdasal mo daw yan na mailayo ka sa sakit. No, may mga health issues ka dito. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, Tina, magkailangan mong magpa-check up at the same time, no? At ang kailangan mo rin umiiwas sa mga bawal. And of course, sa 6 chakra, Archangel Ariel, about sa finances. So, big sabihin sa'yo dito, wala kang magiging problema about sa finances this coming September. Kasi mukhang magiging maayos na ang takbo ng negosyo, hanap buhay, trabaho mo. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? Archangel Michael messages, this is your life purpose. So, ito na yung, parang sinasabi na, ito na yung talaga yung para sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, ito yung dapat mong gawin sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na ng idea. So, what is additional messages for Jesus loving quotes? Jesus loving quotes, sinasabi dito, you are on the light of the world. So, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw ang magsisilbing liwanag, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay, although dun sa mga sa family mo, kumbaga ikaw yung nagbibigay solusyon sa mga problema pinagdadaanan nyo. Ikaw yung some of you breadwinner, no? So, what is the, ay, mamaya pa pala itong messages of life. Dagdagan natin ng love oracle cards. So, what is the love oracle card? Okay, karmic relationship. So, some of you guys, may pinagdadaanan sa relationship, no? Kumbaga, mukhang lahat ng pinagdadaan, lahat ng nararanasan mo sa love life ay talagang may yugto talaga ng paghihirap, no? Kumbaga, nakakaranas ka dito ng lagi ng it's either inaagaw or it's either na parang hindi para sa iyo, no? Kumbaga, letting go and loving you. Yung mahal mo siya pero kailangan niyo magkalayo. Ay, yung paubaya session, yung may ganon. So, what is angel's number? Angel's number represent a 29. I am a sightful. You are highly intuitive and creative. Your mind thinks it in the features, and you seem to draw information and ideas from out of the sky. A powerful drive to know the oneness of all things. So, ibig sabihin dito, pinapasilip sa'yo, no, ng ating mga ng ating angel spirit, yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. Even yung sa sarili mo, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na ng visions, and of course, intuitions, no? Para masilip at mailahad yung mga bagay-bagay na mangyayari in the near future. Kumbaga, meron ka na kagad na shortcut or clues, no? Kumbaga, what is additional messages? So, maraming salamat for the month of September. So, sinasabi sa dito ng for the month of September, kumbaga, there's a development, no? So, let's proceed tayo sa ating let's proceed tayo sa ating buwan ng October for the sign of Pisces. So, what is angel's messages? Ano yung messages sa'yo ngayong buwan ng October? There's a Three of Pentacles, collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. No, teamwork. And of course, there's Nine of Pentacles. Wow, blossoming abundance. And of course, Six of Cups. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a friend or relatives or something na, or ex-reconciliation. And there's a Two-Pad. So, ibig sabihin dito, may kailangan pagdesisyonan, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo nang magdesisyon as soon as possible. Ano kaya pagdidesisyonan mo na yan? There's an Eight of Wands. There is a fast communication or there's a movement, trouble. It's either Six of Cups na may manunumbalik na ex, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, or babalik sa dati mong trabaho, o babalik ka dito sa ex mo, no? May babalik na ex. And of course, once there's a decision, no? At then of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na mayroon ditong blossoming abundance na magtutuloy-tuloy, and of course, na magkakaroon ng fast communication and fast movement, no? Mabilis ang paggalaw nitong eksena na to. So, about naman sa career. Okay, Five of Swords. Ibig sabihin dito, getting to know, getting more information. No? Strategy. Gamitan mo rin ng strategy about sa career mo. Nasa sa'yo yung, nasa palad mo kung paano mo pangahawakan yan. And of course, maging limitado lang, no? Wag ka magbigay ng information sa iba para hindi ka magkaroon ng self-sabotage. So, what is additional messages? For love life. For love life, so, Knight of Swords, stress, no? And of course, stress or deceptions or overthinking, no? What is additional messages for the health? For health naman is a Ten of Pentacles, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng sagana dito, no? About sa pagkain, kumbaga hindi ka naman talaga na kinakapos or something talaga pagdating sa food talaga or sa health mo talagang sagana ka. And of course, there's a King of Swords, no? Kumbaga, pagdating dyan talaga aware ka. It's a big, it's a, ano naman talaga dyan, it's a part of, life na kailangan talaga pagdating sa pagkain, hindi talaga dapat yan, tinitipid-tipid, no? What is the chakra? Instinct. Oh, I told you, di ba? There's a visions or intuitions, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na maraming pamahiin or pahiwatig sa'yo ang ating angel spirit. Kumbaga may parang, sa'yo ito, may mga paalala. Parang ganon. Para sumasagi sa isip mo, sumasagi sa panaginip mo, ganon. What is additional messages for energy? There's an angel of love. Ay, meron talagang love. So, coming back, no? Love is coming back to me now. Ay, kanta yun, T. No, may manunumbalik talaga dito. Parang napapanaginipan mo na tong person na to. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? So, Archangel Michael messages, decide to be happy now. No? Kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon at magpakailanman. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes, angel spirit? Okay, thank you. Okay, come to me all you that labor and heavy laden, I will give you the rest. Ibig sabihin daw lahat ng mga mabibigat, lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo, lahat ng mga sakit na nakaraan mo, bitawan mo, surrender mo kay God para at least gumaan ka. Yung loob mo para mas lalo kang mag-attract ng mga positive energy. What is the love oracle card? What is the love oracle card? Okay, coffee cup. Oh, meron talaga kayong meeting. Or there's a conversation dito with your ex, no? Kumbaga, and of course, sinasabi dito ng may mga conversation about sa trabaho, about sa love life, or there's a decision na kailangan mo pagdesisyonan about sa career, no? So, what is angel's number? What is angel's number? Angel's number. There's a 5, I am adaptable. So, what is adaptable? So, let's see. Flexibility is your forte. When life throws you and a curveball, you can easily adapt to new circumstances and find excitement in the unexpected change. Be brave and bold in your endeavor. Ibig sabihin dito talagang hindi may mga unexpected moment. No? Kumbaga, handa ka naman sa mga pagbabago. Kumbaga, parang lalo kang na-challenge sa mga yan. So, ibig sabihin dito, masyado ka adventurous, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. Ibig sabihin dito, handa kang sumugal at handa kang makipaglaban sa eksena na to. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na palakasin ng loob at palakasin ng sarili, no? Para sa mga pagbabago at paghanda, no? Sa mga darating na pagkakataon. Pagdating dito sa ex mo, kung sakali magkakaroon ng conversation, no? Kumbaga, handa ka. So wala naman talaga nagiging handa pag unexpected, diba? So, let's see. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na magdesisyon ka na magiging masaya ka. No? Yun lang yung kailangan mo magawin. Magdidesisyon. So, what is thank you for the month of October. So, let's proceed tayo for the month of November. Angel Spirit, let's give me information for the month of November. Okay, there's a Page of Cups. Manifestation. Page of Pentacles, sorry. Manifestation. And of course, there's a Star card. There's a wish fulfillment. And there's a dreams. There's a hope. There's a miracle. And of course, Six of Pentacles, give and take. There is a gift. And of course, pagdating talaga sa Six of Pentacles na malabas sa akin, about sa finances niya, magtutuloy-tuloy. And of course, there's Seven of Pentacles. Wow, harvest time. O, diba? What is the additional messages? Okay, there's a Queen of Pentacles. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. Ay, taray. Kumbaga, lalakas daw ang negosyo o hanap buhay mo dito, no? Kumbaga, ito yung hiniling mo no? Na manumbalik ang sigla ng negosyo o hanap buhay mo. So, this is it. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang magiging pasabog ang career mo. So, about sa love life. About sa love life, angel spirit for the month of November. There's an Hierophant. Oh, separations or something. Okay, nagkaroon ng separation dito. And of course, King of Pentacles. Kailangan mo daw maging practical, no? At the same time, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Focus, no? Focus sa sarili mo kasi nagkaroon ng betrayal and deception and of course, sabotage. And of course, about sa health. About sa health, there's an Emperor. Be mature and the High Priestess. There's an hidden agenda, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa iyo dito na kailangan magpatingin ka. Kumbaga, hindi pwede yung, there's an haka-haka lang. Hindi pwede gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa iyo dito na kailangan mong maging sigurado, no? Ay mature and grounded dito. So, what is additional messages for love oracle card? Okay, the butterfly, taray, relationship evolving. So, there is a separation, nagkakaroon ng healing the inner child. Kumbaga, ginamot na yung mga sugat na nakaraan. There is a new peace. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Jesus' loving quote said, "Be of good comfort, your faith has made me whole." Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, gawin mo lang yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin, no? Kung may tutulong ka sa iba, tumulong ka. Your faith, kumbaga sinasabi dito, yung tiwala at pananampalataya mo, doon ka bubuuin eh. Doon ka patitibayin. So, what is the energy? What is this energy? There's a contract. So, some of you, there's a soul contract. So, some of you, meron talagang partnership, meron talagang may bagong eksena, no? Na magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong simula. Meron ka dito mga manifest. Star represent a balance then at the same time. So, what is chakra? Chakra trickery. O talagang mayroon something na niloko ka o nagtiwala ka at niloko ka. Meron talagang nagsinungaling sa'yo, no? Kaya nagkaroon ng cause ng separation. What is Archangel Michael messages? And there's a favor outcome. So, ibig sabihin, papabor daw sa'yo ang eksena na to, no? Kumbaga, naging mabuti ka sa kanila, pero niloko ka. Nagtiwala ka, niloko ka. And of course, there's a contract, kumbaga, oh, don't you worry, what goes around comes around. Kumbaga, meron talagang, there's a justice card. And of course, there's a favorable outcome, papabor sa'yo, at talaga mabibigay sa'yo ng pasabog to. At ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng relationship evolving the new phase. May bagong eksena pagdating sa love life. What is angel's number? Angel's number. I am expanding. Oh. Any positive energy, positive changes or project you are considering right now will be worth your while. Expect that your power to manifest and create will be heightened. Ibig sabihin dito, mukhang yung mga pagbabago sa sarili mo o pagbabago sa buhay mo ay unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng development, no? Nagkakaroon ng na-attract mo yung mga positive energy at the same time, mas nagiging maganda at nagiging malinaw na, no? Ang mga bagay-bagay para sa iyo. Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, mag-expect ka ng magiging maganda ang pasabog sa iyo ng buwan ng November at magbibigay liwanag to sa iyo at mukhang palalawakin to yung eksena mo. Love life, career, and of course, health. No? Kumbaga, pinapalawak niya ang kaalaman mo. Even yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo from the past, kumbaga, isang paraan niya para natuto ka. No? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng knowledge, nagkaroon ka ng experiences, yung journey mo, mas lalo siya nagde-develop. So, what is additional messages for the month of December? For the month of December, get my information. Okay, there's the Moon card, revelasyon, no? May mga revelasyon na malalaman mo. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's new beginning, new fresh ideas, new material offer, no? Ibig sabihin dito, meron ditong bagong trabaho, bagong business. So, what is the additional messages? There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition. The Moon can represent unexpected moment or there's a hidden agenda. Listen to your intuition rather. Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo and getting to know each other and getting to know more. Additional messages. And of course, Five of Swords. There's a fair fight. No, wag ka na magbigay ng information. Yun yung tinatawag na may mga revelasyon ka malalaman. May mga tao lalapit sa iyo, no? May mga kukuha ng information sa iyo para hanapin yung kahinaan mo kung paano kanya pababagsakin. Sinasabi sa dito na makikilatis at makikilala mo dito with the Moon card for the revelation. Alisin mo ang takot at pangamba mo with the Four of Swords. And of course, the Five of Swords represent a self-sabotage. Pero kailangan maging patas at magkaroon ka ng strategy dito para maiwasan mo tong Page of Swords na kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Kasi etong bagay na to magdadala sa'yo ng Ace of Pentacles, there's abundance. So, what is career messages? About sa career, there's a judgment, wake up call, and of course, parang nagising ka na sa katotohanan with the healing energy. Kumbaga, King of Cups. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng healing. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles, nagkaroon ka ng long-term investment. Wow, pasabog. Magkakaroon ka ng long-term investment pagdating sa December. So, about naman sa love life. About sa love life, there's an higher fund. Nagkaroon talaga ng separation, no? And of course, there's, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng investment din at the same time. Oh, wow! There's a revert, no? Kung baga isisilang ang panibagong eksena sa'yo, kung magbubukas ka ng bagong negosyo, magkakaroon ng possible na magkakaroon ng pasabog to, harvest time. At the same time, pagdating sa relationship din, magkakaroon ka din ng revert. pasabog. What is additional messages for health? There's a good news, no? Protect your power, protect your energy. Pagdating sa health daw, kumbaga protektado ka naman eh. Of course, okay, yamado ka naman daw about sa health. So, about naman sa love oracle card. Love oracle card represent talking. Ooh, interested. Conversation. Maraming taong kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Ito yung page of sword eh. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a texting, email, messages. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan maging aware ka lang. Ha? Hindi dapat workit ka na usap ka, parang, ano ka agad, kumbaga marupok or something na parang, ang bilis mo kagad ma-fall. No! Kailangan mo maging malakas at matibay. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kailangan mong, tawag dito, maging pakipot-kipot din minsan, di ba? What is our Archangel Michael messages? Kumbaga, getting to know each other daw, ha? And kung sinasabi dito, pay attention to your dreams, no? Kumbaga, tumutok ka sa pangarap mo. Huwag ka muna tumutok sa love life kasi darating naman yun. What is the energy? What is this energy? Angel Spirit. Energy represent adjacent possibilities, no? May mga pinto ang magsasara at may mga pinto ang magbubukas para sa iyo. Accept the fact na may mga bagay na hindi natin kontrolado. What is the chakra? What is the chakra? Angel Spirit, messages for December. Wow, dalawa. So, sinasabi dito, Tia, self-worth, no? Tignan mo yung kahalagahan mo. Yung ano mo, yung bilang ikaw, yung pahalaga mo yung sarili mo, mahalin mo yung sarili mo para at least, pag dumating yung taong para sa'yo, kumbaga, titignan ka niya with a high value, no? Parang mahihirapan siyang, anuhan kanya, lokohin kanya kasi napaka-high standard mo. Kumbaga ganun, baguhin mo na yung sistema mo, baguhin mo yung sarili mo. Dito, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan tingin mo sa sarili mo isang gold or isang diamond na high class or high standard, no? Hindi ka silver or something na mura lang. So, ibig sabihin, you are being a gold with an indestructible. And of course, and you are diamond, like a shining splendor. Taray, shining, swimming, kinesa, charis. And because there's an impartiality, no? Kumbaga, there is a balance. Balance with a fair fight, no? Kumbaga, patas to. Hindi magiging maganda ang resulta pag wala yung ganito. Kumbaga, kailangan balance siya. There's a positive and negative energy na kailangan balance. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Jesus loving quote said, all things to whatsoever you shall, as in the prayer, believing you shall receive. Ibig sabihin dito, lahat daw ng mga bagay na hinihingi mo o pinagdadasal mo, maniwala ka lang daw na ipagkakaloob sa'yo, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So, ibig sabihin dito, ipagdadasal mo yung mabubuting bagay, hindi yung bagay na ikasasama ng ibang tao. Kailangan makakabuti lang sa'yo. So, what is additional messages for this outcome? Outcome is the King of Swords. Oh, ay Knight of Swords, no? Sorry, magiging mabilis daw ang eksena with the Chariot card. Take action, fast movement. Bet ko yan. Magiging mabilis to. Kumbaga, walang pinagkaiba to sa kidlat na parang, pak, ang bilis, magugulat ka. And of course, the Queen of Wands, stability and control. Queen of Wands represent a confident. Kailangan talaga may confident ka. With a heart, char. Okay, what is additional messages? With the King of Pentacles, there is an High Priestess. Sinasabi dito, being practicality. There's a mystery behind. May mga bagay na hindi ka pa nalalaman with unexpected moment. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, magtiwala ka sa process of progress and of course, i-secure mo lang yung mga bagay-bagay para hindi ka napupunta sa alanganing situation. Additional messages. Meron pa ba? Additional messages? Okay, thank you. So, let's proceed tayo sa isa pang cards. Additional messages for this outcome. Okay, Temperance. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a perfect timing or divine intervention. Maraming paalala sa iyo ang ating divine, no? Kailangan maging aware ka. At the same time, okay, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person, no? May taong talagang gagabayan ka at talagang puprotektahan ka. No? What is additional messages? There is a mature, grounded man, no? And of course, there's an emperor. Napaka-mature dito on being mature, no? Be mature daw at the same time. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Knight of Sword. Magiging mabilis to. And of course, the Three of Sword, no? Maraming insecurities. Alisin yan. Alisin mo daw insecurities mo, even sa sarili mo, and of course, sa ibang tao, no? Maraming tao na iinggit sa'yo, pero magiging mabilis to. What is additional messages for this pasilip Burmans? Ano yung pinaka-outcome nito? Okay. Pinaka-outcome nito, talk to your angels, heart desire. Ibig sabihin nito, ang sinasabi nito, makipag-usap ka sa ating angel spirit, sundin mo kung ano yung nasa puso mo. No? What is additional messages pa? What is additional messages for this outcome? Okay, sinasabi rin dito, bathroom. Ibig sabihin dito, cleansing. Kailangan mo mag-cleansing, ha? Isa pa yan, para at least magkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan, magkaroon ka ng, ma-attract mo yung positive energy, and of course, ma-release mo yung negative energy. Isa pa yan. And of course, sinasabi rito, na messages of life, I am free. Today, I find the veil of my ego has lifted and a vision on new life has appeared. Now I am focused on my inner growth. I listen only to the voice of my heart and remain steadfast in the energy of love. And I find there, I am now free on duality, fear, and judgment. I move forward on my path to the inner peace. Ibig sabihin talagang pinalaya mo yung sarili mo, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga, inalis mo talaga yung takot at pangamba mo. Kumbaga, hinahayaan mo ang puso mo ang magdesisyon. Na kumbaga, bahala na. Basta ako magiging masaya ko. At alam ko na, kumbaga, alam ko na yung life purpose ko sa buhay. Susundin ko yon at alam ko na ginagabayan ko ng ating mga gabay. Ganun yung parang nagkaroon ka ng ganung perspective. Na kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng ganung mindset at the same time. So, let's see. Maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. For Pasilip Burmans for the month of September, October, November, December for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video.